Where is your face covering?
Where is your face?
I am stopping a deadly virus from spreading. I can't breathe though.
Are we talking about the virus with the 0.4% mortality rate and has an over 99% recovery rate?
Bro, your facts do not matter when you can be asymptomatic and spread the virus to somebody more vulnerable like your grandmother.
What you're not going to do is emotionally manipulate me into compliance. Because as of April 2nd, the World Health Organization has admitted there are a few cases that are truly asymptomatic. And to date, there have been no documented asymptomatic transmission. And according to a study published by the National Library of Medicine, they exposed an asymptomatic person to 455 uninfected and tracked the infection rate, and none of them contracted the virus.
Bro, stop lying.
I'm not lying. All the links to everything I've said will be in the description box of this video.
Damn it, just wear a mask so we can slow the spread. This is about safety.
You know what? I would get into the adverse side effects of wearing a mask, but a wise man once said to guard with jealous attention the public liberty and suspect anyone who comes near that precious jewel. That being said, the fact that you can wear a mask made out of literally any material lets me know this is not about safety. This is about social engineering, and I have a problem with that.
Over 450,000 people have died, and all you can talk about is liberty. You don't care people are dying. You're evil.
Okay, but if I'm evil, then so are you.
I'm doing my part to slow the spread. Look at me.
But you literally didn't do none of this back in 2018.
Now you're going to try to tell me the flu killed 80,000 people in 2018. That talking point is played out. This virus is way more deadly. It has killed more people than the flu.
I'm not talking about the flu. I'm talking about tuberculosis. Yeah. It killed 1.5 million people.
Are you shitting me? Tuberculosis did that?
Yeah. You did not wear a mask. We did not lock down the world. Out of the 1.5 million people that died, 250,000 children lost their lives. Hospitals were not overrun around the world. No one talked about flattening that curve. CNN did not keep a death count. Yeah, let's talk about it.
I'll holler at you later, bros.